Hello everyone, my name is Piotr Snook and we're going to show you some parkour. This is parkour lesson 1. Safety and landing, and safety roll. It's important so you don't hurt yourself if you land. Luca is going to do the safety landing and roll. This is his first time in his whole life, so don't laugh him out if he fails. Alright. Do it! A little bitch. So this is how you don't do it. Alright. Take the camera over for me so I can do it.
Okay, dude. Come on, dude. Show us the roll. No tricks, dude. Show us the roll. 3, 1, 4.
Are you guys ready to see the roll and safety landing?
We are. Now go!
Bitch. Alright. This is safety number 1.